Hello everyone, I am Col.Dr.T.S.Surendra. I've been in the PV field for more 30 years and now I'm in the training space, training technicians, engineers, other people at Sobi Institute of Renewable Energy. And what I find is, today the government have announced the National Solar Mission, been announced quite some time back, which envisages 100 gigawatts of solar installations by the year 2022, which obviously means there are plenty of job opportunities. Firstly, of course, we have to train people, so there's a requirement of many people for training, more than 10 lakhs they say, the near term. And the job opportunities itself are mushrooming. Firstly, you have it in installation, operation, maintenance, right? Along with the EPC contractors. You've got people, trained people for installing, operation, maintenance, definitely. Also, you need people for manufacture of cells and modules and putting together systems. I think you require a lot of people, a lot of manpower is required for that, trained manpower at various levels. Level of a technician, yes, level of an engineer, and a postgraduate in case he wants to do research, and there's in fact plenty of scope for research as well in various institutes like in IIT Bombay or IITs or IISc or even some of the private engineering colleges. There's plenty of scope for research on materials, research on how to bring up or increase the efficiency of solar cells, or how to reduce costs. So I think these are the areas where we require people. So I think the job opportunities exist for people, for students, whether boys or girls, at various levels, right from a technician to a researcher. I think the job market is opening up in a big way for us. And the question about business opportunities. Somebody wants to set up his own business, wants to be an entrepreneur. Well, of course, today, of course, it's a year, it's a decade of startups. Startup culture is coming up in a big way. I think there's plenty of scope for that. Or for setting up one's own unit, manufacturing, or a service center to service various things. Today, in fact, the accent is on revamping and repowering solar modules. That's a new concept. And we need people for that. Businessmen, entrepreneurs who can set up facilities for this. I think government are also very encouraging. At least I know in MSMEs, other places where the total focus is on such activities. Yes, I think today the accent is on clean energy. Everywhere clean energy. In fact, the Paris Agreement of 2016 envisages bringing down the global temperatures by 2.2 or 2.5 degrees, right, in the near term, as compared to the pre-industry industry levels. And in fact, efforts are on to bring it down to 1.5 degrees because carbon footprint has to be reduced. The world has got to become cleaner for all of us and for the future generations. We owe to the future generations clean energy. So this climate change mitigation is a very important, not only concept, but very important for us. Of course, various people have laid down various milestones. It's important for us to ensure that climate change mitigation takes place. The climate change problems are addressed. Because environment, we require a clean environment. The carbon footprint has to be reduced to a great extent to make the world a safe place to live in, especially for future generations. That's very important.